Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, myself Rajkumar Amrutlal Gugde from 3rd year Civil Engineering, Zeal Polytechnic, Nare, Pune. First of all, I am very thankful to our respected Principal Sir, Ayub Tamboy Sir, and respected HOD Sir, Prashant Jadhav Sir, for designing this project-based learning program for us. Our topic name is Create a Method of Awareness about Good Habits of Scientific Better Solid Waste Management Process. And the project is done by Rajkumar Gugde, Akash Palekar, Sayyam Patil, Anil Khaire, Tanmay More, and Pranav Khalate. This project is done under the guidance of respected Sir Professor Mahesh Khade Sir and respected Sir Professor Ankit Agrawal Sir. So let's study. As we all know, the solid waste management is the collection, treating and disposing of solid material that is discarded from various sources like industries, biomedical, then home waste, means kitchen waste, and so on, because it has served its purpose or is no longer useful. Improper disposal of municipal solid waste can create unsanitary conditions, and these conditions in turn can lead to pollution of the environment and to outbreaks of vector-borne disease, that is a disease spread by rodents and insects. The task of solid waste management present complex technical challenges. Let's study about what is the importance of awareness in solid waste management. Solid waste is defined as the unusable and unwanted products in the solid and semi-solid state derived from the activities and removed by society. Waste can be considered as nothing but valuable material at wrong place. There is no substantial in this world which is not useful. Nowadays, as we all know, as the population increases, the waste produces from the various sources is also increasing day by day, and it's become a very big issue of disposal of solid waste. So it became a very big issue of disposal of solid waste. Let's study about how we are going to aware the people regarding solid waste management. As we all know, raising awareness about municipal solid waste management is an essential component of effective waste management. It is important for key stakeholders to be aware of a city waste management activities and have a strong understanding of the benefits of proper solid waste management. The methods we are going to use are use of city waste collection services by the public and private sector, funding for waste management from local elected officials, adoption and enforcement of local waste management policies, support for local level activities from national or provincial governments, public awareness in awareness program, public participation in awareness program. Let's study about the challenges we are going to face during this awareness program. There are many barriers to raising awareness about a city waste management activities and the benefits for a proper solid waste management. These barriers, which vary by stakeholder type, include lack of funds and capacity, embedded cultural practices, behavioral norms, lack of familiarity with the economic opportunities associated with a waste management, capacity limitation of waste management agencies, for example, lack of technical and financial resources for outreach, unsupportive legal and regulatory frameworks, and main thing is time. Raising awareness about proper waste management with different methods. An effective campaign to raise awareness about solid waste management involves communicating with a wide range of stakeholders and especially community. The most effective messages will be specific to the stakeholders group. Rising awareness among local elected public representatives and other officials can lead to the adoption of a waste management that is bans on open dumping in an effective way and increase the financial support for waste management activities. National or provincial government can support city waste management efforts by enforcing policies and providing assistance when city activities contribute to national level goals. Other stakeholders can strengthen messages about waste management. Aware of the economic benefits of proper waste management activities might encourage elected officials to fund them. One of the plan's strategies involves conducting targeted outreach to students. Incorporating waste education into the school curriculum is an effective way to deliver messages to households. Government should make adequate provision for recycling facilities and infrastructure. Government should introduce and enforce the laws and regulations which are adoptable by community and communicating should adopt. Penalties should be levied on any waste producer that violates the regulation and so on. Thanks for watching. Once again, I am very thankful to our respected HOD Sir Prashant Jadhav Sir and respected Principal Ayub Tamboy Sir for designing this encouraging program, project based learning. Thank you, sir.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.